Today, we are going to talk about gender equality. You guys seem familiar with the topic. So, what exactly is it? Well, according to me, it means that every human deserves equal rights, irrespective of their gender identities. It is certainly not an old concept, nor it is a less talked about one. But do we really do it justice? When talking about gender equality, I feel a lot of us act hypocritical by just talking about parts of it rather than embracing it as a whole. It includes equality for all. So today, we would be talking about all the aspects of it in brief.
Firstly, let's talk about the unfair treatment against women. Globally, women have a fewer opportunities for economic participation than men. Less access to basic and higher education, greater health, and safety risks. Let it be any field. All the women's need is equal rights and respect, and there is nothing she couldn't pursue. Even when we boast us being in 21st century, we still come across numerous cases where women are put on a lower pedestal. A study of 2011 found out India has more than 45 lakh girls under 15 years of age who are married with children. Out of these, 70% of the girls have two children. It's a shame if we look at the women as inferiors on capabilities.
Now let's talk about a less talked about issue. Rewind to headlines of 2015. Court acquits, Amity rape accused, says evidence cooked up. Two boys, Prashant Sablani and Milind Kapoor, were bailed innocently by the court after being falsely accused of molestation and spending 14 months in Tihar jail for something they hadn't done. Later, it was found out that the parents of the girl forced her to file a false complaint against them as the family doesn't like her drinking with them.
Probably you hadn't heard about it. But why? Because the victim is a boy? Or because the patriarchy has stabilized its mind to always frame a mother's son as the accusation? There are numerous cases where some man's life and their careers had been ended because of such false allegations. But you know what? The truth is, society turns a deaf ear when the victim is a he. Justice implicated to a woman is good, and that we always wish from our deepest hurt. But what about the people who are implicated in false cases and get their lives ruined?
Despite recent advances, people are still being fired, harassed, and targeted at work because they are LGBTQ. They suffer gender bias in all areas of public and private life, including housing, employment, opportunities in academic settings, in the ability to buy goods and services, and in the opportunities to participate meaningfully in a society's decision making processes.
Homophobia and discomfort with individuals who do not conform on antiquated stereotypes of sex and gender often manifests into heinous discrimination against these individuals. According to a survey conducted in USA, nearly 41% of gay and lesbian adults face some form of hostility or harassment on the job, including being fired or forced to quit because of their sexual orientation.
Equality could only be solved when we fix these loopholes and make our belief strong enough to shatter down the walls of discrimination in gender equality. It is our generation that we believe would bring the change. A step from you, a step from us, a step together, and we will unleash the true meaning of gender equality for a better tomorrow.
तुम जर्नलिस्ट का तो काम ही सब कुछ बढ़ा चढ़ा के लिखना है ना?
बड़ा चढ़ा के रियली
सीरियसली, जैसे आजकल तुम लोग विमेन्स इश्यूज पे लिख रहे हो। आई मीन तुम्हारी माने तो ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे यहाँ हर औरत हर वक्त हर जगह अनसेफ है।
हर सर्वे तो यही कहता है, लेकिन बात सिर्फ सेफ्टी की नहीं है, मतलब इक्वल राइट्स की है, बराबरी की है।
प्रिसाइसली, तो बदलाव आ रहा है, स्लोली बट श्योरली थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग। मेरी फैमिली को ही ले लो, मेरे डैड की जनरेशन तक किसी औरत ने काम नहीं किया, नेवर। फिर मैंने आयशा को अलाउ किया बिजनेस चलाने।
तुमने आयशा को अलाउ किया?
यस।
और उसे तुम्हारे परमिशन की जरूरत क्यों है?
यू नो व्हाट आई मीन।
नो, आई डोंट नो व्हाट यू मीन। जब तुम किसी को अलाउ करते हो, तुम अपने आप को एक अथॉरिटी, एक कंट्रोल की पोजीशन में डालते हो, और ये बराबरी नहीं हुई। बट थैंक यू, जो मैं कहने की कोशिश कर रहा था वो तुमने साबित कर लिया।